Hi guys, Paul Dexter here. Excuse my voice, I'm battling something. That's why this newsletter is a couple days late to get out. I had to be able to get myself well enough to shoot a video. Big things going on in Jetbuilt. Jetbuilt Drawings, I've got a big update about that. But first, Jetbuilt Summit in Nashville is only a couple of weeks away. We are so much looking forward to getting together with all of you, going over everything Jetbuilt, tips and tricks in the application, discovering how you guys are best leveraging the application. And it's a great couple of days. Looking forward to that. There's still time to register. The link is right here. But the big news is drawings. For 11 years, we have not provided drawings. There are a myriad of drawing platforms out there. But more and more of you guys continue to request, why can't we get drawings inside of Jetbuilt? And for a long time, we thought about that. If we were to go down that road, how should that look? And then we finally decided, rather than just build in a drawing application in Jetbuilt, we figured we would build in a drawing tool and the drawings themselves. So by now you guys are familiar with Jetbot. Jetbot writes your scope of work for the last year and a half. Jetbot is your service desk for those of you using Jetbot for service, solving live outages of systems in the field for your end users. Now Jetbuilt can help you with your drawings. So whether you're a large integrator and you have several engineers in-house handling your drawings, Jetbuilt can speed them up and give them some head starts on some of their work. Whether you're a smaller organization and you're outsourcing drawings or you're not yet delivering drawings, Jetbuilt can literally be that engineer to provide these drawings for you. We are starting with schematics, which is the trickiest one to pull off, but it was the highest request from you guys. We will be rolling into rack elevations and floor plans and so forth after schematics. But today I'm in Jetbuilt and here's a conference room project. I click this button and here's the schematic along with my custom wire number scheme and so forth. And by all means, if you're leveraging AutoCAD Vectorworks and you require that type of power, you'll be able to export these drawings as DWGs to bring into those applications, allowing you to have the head start that Jetbot can give you and still finish it out in those other applications. And when the drawing comes back, just as if it comes back from a human, you may have a few changes or a lot of changes, and you simply tell Jetbot, hey, can you please make these changes? Let's move all the input signals under the displays from HDMI 1 to HDMI 2, or let's connect, the inputs from this batch of 8 into this batch of 8, and so forth. It'll make all those changes for you. So if you'd like to try these drawings early, just click the button in this email and we'll get you on the list so you can get an invite. We don't know the number that we're going to allow in, so click the button as early as possible and that'll guarantee you a spot. We are also preparing our launch list too. Remember, we had that launch list in the spring where you guys got to track everything we were building. After Summit, we'll be launching our fall launch list, which will take us through probably the new year. It's our goal to build the best possible Jetbuilt for you, and so we continue to do that every single day. Thank you again for using Jetbuilt. We'll talk to you soon.